What is up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another banging video. This one is going to be short, and it is pretty much an update on what I've been up to with this amazing website called EarnCashTo. That's EarnCashTo. But before you run and type that in, I made it easy. Click the link in the description below and it will take you straight to the page. Pretty much what you can do is make money. So far I have amassed $354 for inviting people, for making social posts, and for completing surveys, for downloading and testing apps, for people clicking my link. And one person, I invited people and they signed up, and I get $10 per person that I invite. Okay, so I've been on this for 2 to 3 weeks, and I've been on it like every now and then, just whenever I feel like. I think I've probably been on here a total of maybe 5-6 times, I don't know, and I've completed a survey here, a survey there, and then I leave and go do something and come back, and I've gotten clicks, I've gotten stuff. But the point in me saying all of this is it's not hard to make money, and this is a very easy way that I've found to make money. So what you're looking at is $354, not passively, but kind of just barely dipping my toe in the water to test it to see how hot this thing is. And I made this doing practically nothing. I answer a few questions, I download an app, I sign up, I test it, and then when I'm done I delete the app and I get money. So here's an example of what kind of money you can get. So it says ways to earn, complete surveys. And by the way, if you are in a region that's outside of the US or Canada or those major countries, it's good to have a VPN installed, because some of the apps you won't be able to see them because of the region you're in. Excuse my dogs, they're also happy to make money. My dogs are ninjas as well. They are internet income ninjas. So here's an example. You complete this survey, you get $53. It's no joke. And that's why I was able to amass the amount of money that I have by just kind of sort of being on here and not, and being on here and not, and whatever. So this is $53 to complete this survey. This one is $45 to complete the survey, these steps. 54, 50, 59, 50, 50, 50, enter your email and shoot. So by the way, you will have emails being sent to your inbox. You will have to complete surveys, so that includes, some of the surveys you just enter your name and email address, and that's good, and then you answer some questions like, do you want home insurance? How many credit cards do you have? Questions like, if you were to get a gift card, would you prefer, and you'd have a list of like 8 places, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. You answer those questions, and then when you're done, you would possibly end up at a page, where it will tell you to claim your free bonus like this. To claim your bonus, you need to complete one deal, and pretty much what this drive is to get people's information. Okay, companies are realizing that they can increase sales by getting people's information. Not your personal information like your bank account stuff. No, nothing like that. Information like your name, the area or region you live in, and your email address. Because what they're going to do is they are going to retarget you through email. So they'll say, hey, there's an amazing promotion happening. Would you like to claim a free $1,000 coupon to Bed Bath and Beyond? You click yes. Okay, enter your name, email address, and then you complete one of these deals. Okay, so you sign up. It says sign up, try it for 14 days free, and receive rewards to your credit thing. And then you get your gift card and you can run to Bed Bath and Beyond. but they have your information. And when things come up, they will email you and say, hey, there's a promotion. Would you like something? And then, you buy it. And when you buy it, they make money, clearly. So it's not a thing to run you down and find out your tax information. It's not a spy thingy. But I can say the rewards, these rewards be good. Okay, so that's how I was able to amass the amount of money I have. So I think I did like 5 surveys, five surveys maybe. Each of them was a different value. So if it was an average of $50 per survey, I did say 5 surveys, that would have been an easy $250. And the surveys aren't long. You're looking at probably 10 slides, 1 question each. Things like, do you own a vehicle? Yes. Would you like cheaper car insurance? No. How often do you go shopping? 1 to 3 times per week, 4 to 5, 6 to 9, whatever. And you answer, and when you complete the survey, your current balance will be credited with the value that you see whatever thing you completed here, but you have to complete the steps to get the money. But again, ultimately all I'm saying is this is easy. So yes, you do have to share your link with people. You do have to have you have to complete 6 out of 6 surveys. Yeah, I'll post this on Instagram. I posted it here on YouTube. I posted it on my TikTok. So yeah, go ahead and follow me on TikTok if you'd like. That would be great. I posted it on Facebook. I do have a Facebook page as well, Internet Income Ninja. Check that out. I'm going to post it to Instagram and then to Snapchat, and then have this, go to 5, and my rewards will go up. So if you're a teenager, if you're a college student, if you're someone who has a decent following on social media, if you're on pretty much all these social media platforms, including YouTube and TikTok, because I don't see the icon here, if you know a lot of people, you should check this out. So there will be a link in the description below, the first link. Okay, so check the first link. It will take you to a page where you can sign up, or you can review some information if you'd like. And that is EarnCashTo. Check the link in the description. It takes you straight to the page. You don't need to go searching for it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is real. Well, if you want to know if it's real, yes, it actually is. And here, Desha just got $251 credited to their Bitcoin account. It's so easy. There are so many ways to make money online. This person, Amon Being, $545 just got paid to their account. This is for real. No cap. Check it out. This person, $455, just by completing surveys, posting the link on social media, inviting people to check it out. That's it. Guys, check this out. Check it out. Don't be square, don't be lame. Inform yourselves. Click the link. Check it out. Read for yourselves. See for yourselves how easy it is to make money online. I will do my best to bring you more amazing content, more amazing resources, more amazing sites, apps, how-tos, tech to make money online. Again, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.